Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Kia Sedona EX. Really nice looking van. I've been a fan of it for a while now. Very nice in here. Tons of room back there. You can fold the seats to your liking. Stay. Of course, being a gigantic door, easy to get in and out. Snow white pearl over gray interior color. 3.3 liter V6 under the hood with the 8-speed automatic. Total price of $35,415, which is not bad considering what you're getting. All right. Put that right in the cup holder for now. Yeah, let's go ahead and take it out on the road. A couple different drive modes. You have Comfort, Eco, and Normal. We'll be driving it today in Normal mode. Really a ton of power. I was definitely surprised the first time I drove one of these. They're a lot of fun to drive for what they are. Brake pedal feels great. Nice and easy to modulate. When you have a minivan like this, you don't want something that's very difficult to drive. So the throttle's nice and easy to use, not too touchy or anything like that. It's really nice. Nice and comfortable, relaxing to drive. I could drive this across country and be fine. The seats are very comfortable too, with these nice leather lined seats. If I am not mistaken, I think on the SX trim, the highest level trim, you can get ventilated seats, which is pretty cool. These ones themselves are heated. Heater works great. I tried it for a split second. Another big thing in here is visibility. I can see so well out of this, it's not even funny. No blind spots. I can see, well, they're blind spots, you wouldn't really see them. You guys know what I mean. There's nothing I could notice that would be a pain over the long term. The touchscreen itself, really nice, easy to use, very intuitive. Oh, look at that. When quiet mode is selected, radio and media is only played in the front seats. So, say you have, I don't know, say you have two children sleeping in the third row, something like that, and you don't want to wake them up, but you want to listen to your music. So the quiet mode sets it so it only comes out of the front section of the vehicle, and it also limits the volume as well. Pretty ingenious idea, if you ask me. So let's see how this thing handles. Obviously, not Kia's intention to make it the best driving minivan in the world, but we'll see how it does. Wow. Handles really well. Obviously, it's not a performance car, never designed to be. But with the Torquey V6, decent handling, very nice, comfortable suspension. Takes turns like a back road minivan. It's awesome. It's not overly comfortable to the point where it's like just wallowing around the road. It does stay very composed. So actually, the more I drive it, the more impressed I am with it. Along with all the features, the amenities, the space, the overall driving comfort. This is a very impressive vehicle and definitely a bargain at $35,000. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.